Welcome back, friends. Now we'll see the next point, that is attributes. We have seen database in relational database management system. The data is stored in form of tabular forms, tables. Relations are stored in form of tables, and table contains rows and columns. And these columns are called as attributes. So these are nothing but properties of your entities. So these attributes are again divided in different types. So attribute types are as follows: simple attributes, composite attributes, single valued attributes, multi-valued attributes, and derived attributes. Now, when we consider a table will have, or you can say the attribute have also the value which is called as a domain of the relation or domain of the table. Domain is nothing but is a set of permitted values for each attribute. So understand clearly, domain is nothing but it is that value which is permitted value for each attribute. For example, if my relation is student and my student relation have 4 attributes, that is roll number of student, name of student, class of student, and branch of student. So branch, class, ID, and name. These are the attributes of relation or table student. Then as a roll number, we can take SE01, TE02, BE15. So these values become the allowed values as a roll number. In roll number, if I write Sachin, Rahul, then is it allowed? Is it permitted? No. But if we write roll number only 11, 15, 67, 81, 22, so that is allowed. So this is called as a permitted value for the attribute ID, roll number, student ID, right? So it becomes a domain value. Inside name, we can write now Sachin, Rahul, Mangesh, Sandeep, like etc. etc. So that is, so in name, we cannot write roll number. That is called as a domain value, which is allowed or set of permitted values for each attribute. So inside the class, we can write SY take, TY take, B, T, SE, FE. And in branch, we can write computer science and engineering, mechanical, electrical, civil, electronics and telecommunication, like this. So each attribute will have a allowed value which can be write in the attribute. That value is called as a domain of the relation, domain values or domain of the table, domain values of the table. Attribute types are, as we said, simple. So suppose we take student's name, student ID, student class, and student branch. Now, when we consider student roll number, inside roll number, we are writing some value. When we consider student name, name also will contain some value. When we say student class and branch, it will have also domain values. Now, when we consider class, in class we can write SY BTech, TY BTech, TE, SE, B. Other than nothing can be there. In that case, such attribute will become a simple attribute. Second type is composite attributes. Now you can observe here, composite attributes are those attributes which are divided in subparts. The attribute which is not divided in subparts is a simple attribute. The attribute which we can divide in other different parts is called as a composite attribute. Now for example, you can observe in figure, if we consider name, name can be dividable. We can consider name in three parts: first name, middle name, or last name. It indicates that as a name value, we can divide that value in three subparts: first name, middle name, last name. So the attribute which is dividable in subparts is called as composite attribute. Even if we take roll number and we are writing roll number TE01, which we can divide as a TE as a third year and 01 as a roll number. So our roll number can be dividable if it is in form of TE01, which is combination of strings and numerics. Then also it is having subpart. Then in that case, that roll number will become as a composite attribute. But in roll number only we are writing 0, 100, 19 up to like only numerical value, then it is not dividable. Then it become a simple attribute. Now one more example we are showing here, the address. Suppose we are taking address of a student. In address, we can again divide it, the address, in different subparts. First is street, city, state, and pin code or postal code. Now city cannot be divided, it will be have a string value. For example, Pandharpur city, Mumbai city, Pune city, Bangalore city, Delhi city. So these are not dividable. It means it is a simple attribute. State, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Kerala, Karnataka. These are the examples which is not dividable. It can have a simple attribute. When we consider street, then in street we can also divide the street into different subparts, and that is street number, street name, and apartment number. In that case, the street becomes the composite attribute. So simple attribute and composite attribute, the attributes which are having dividation in subparts are called as a composite, and simple attribute which don't have a dividation, such a dividation.